Hey, I don't know who needs to hear this, but even if a bear had shoes and socks on, he'd still have bare feet.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
What? Dun-dun-dun.
Good morning,
Good morning.
cheers.
I love you.
Love
Good
you.
morning, everybody.
Come on now, that was funny.
That was...
It was barely funny.
Oh. Happy Saturday, everybody. It is Saturday, November 15th, 2025. Is everybody in Thanksgiving mode or in Christmas time mode? Or both. You can be both. Thanksgiving is a day, Christmas time is a whole season, including Thanksgiving. Hi, what are you doing waving? Parade wave to somebody? Is that an inside joke?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. All right. Once again, either I missed it, I didn't put it on our board. No birthdays or anniversaries this week.
Oh, okay.
So I might have missed them. I apologize.
Her fault.
Next time you see me, you can slap me and say, hey, psh, you forgot. Anyway, last Saturday we chatted with you. And then I went and got my hair cut. Oh. That way I could color it and get the frumpy dumpies out.
I need to dig up some old pictures of her when she had hair down to there. And the big hair. You know, what do you call those pictures?
The glamour shots.
Glamour shots. I need to
Pearl has one.
I need to dig one of those out, scan it in, and...
Yeah, somewhere. Pearl has one, and it looks like we went to the exact same glamour shots place because we both have the same green
in the
thingy
Reno area.
Yeah, in Reno. So right around the same time, so it's probably around the same place.
Yep.
We ran a couple of errands, and then as we were driving out of the campground, somebody said, "Hey, Tom, Lori." And it was Pete and Debbie.
Hey, Pete and Debbie.
Hey, we actually met them the first time a few years ago with Bob and Pearl.
Yeah.
Friends of Bob and Pearl's. Well, they came over and visited later on in the afternoon and brought their adorable dog, Zoe. She is hilarious.
It was good visiting with you guys.
Yeah, it was great visiting with you guys. Thank you for hollering out to us and say hi.
Yeah.
So we enjoyed visiting with you. Sunday morning, we had brunch with our dear friend Jay.
We love you, Jay.
It's always great seeing you.
And don't worry about it. You know what I mean.
Yeah, don't even. Not even. I mean,
gosh, it
how
was
many
a great
country club dinners have we had?
It was a great brunch. Always
yes.
at the Southwest Diner in
Yes, it
Boulder
was.
City.
Yep.
And it's just so good just to sit and talk and spend time with you.
Yep.
So
No matter what the subject is,
That's right.
we enjoy it.
And then when we got home, one of your buddies stopped by.
Yeah, my buddy Dan, my friend from Reno.
He's a great guy. I like
You liked
sitting
it.
talking and yeah.
He's a crack up.
He's great.
He and I have been buddies for a long time. We worked together. We played basketball and volleyball together, and we'd go to lunch and just.
And this
hanging out.
all happened at Boulder Beach at Lake Mead.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And then the next day on Monday, we just kind of relaxed and packed for travel day.
Mm-hmm.
And we met a great guy and his beautiful black German Shepherd. His
Yeah.
name is, the dog's name is Jack, and his person is Curtis. So, hey, Curtis.
Hey, Curtis.
It's great meeting you. Hopefully we'll run into you in the Quartzsite area.
That'd be nice.
Yes. So Tuesday was a travel day. We left Boulder Beach and headed to Kingman to a Boondockers Welcome there. And if you haven't joined Boondockers Welcome or checked it out, we have a link below that you can go in and check it out, and then you can use us as a referral to join, because it's a great membership to have. On Wednesday, luckily, we got a hold of Brian and Renee.
You know what? If we didn't hear from them, what I wanted to do, since we were staying in Kingman at a Boondockers Welcome for multiple nights, was I just wanted to hitch the trailer back up and just go park it in front of their house and just
go drive around and look for his van.
and just wait.
We would have found you.
Wait for him to come out or look out the window.
We would have found you. We had a great visit with them. We hung out at the house for a little bit, and then we went to go eat some late lunch, early dinner at Cracker Barrel.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So
Thanks for
much.
our other goodies that you gave us
Yes.
too. Tom will be featuring that sometime soon. And then the next day, we got to go visit our buddies, the Kellys. We hadn't seen Jason and Candace and Jovi since Jovi was a baby.
Gosh, she's getting so
3.5.
big.
So it was probably 3 years ago because she was just, I think it was her first Christmas time that we were.
It was.
'Cause her birthday's in
Yeah.
March, so
We've
went walking
tried
around.
every time that we go north or south, we try to go through Kingman and meet up with them, and either they have something going on or we didn't make it through Kingman at the right time, and it's just we did this time.
They had been heading, I think one time they were heading to California to go see family, and then the other times they were headed to Missouri to go see family.
Went back to
So this
Missouri.
time, when we knew we were going to be going through Kingman,
we knew way back when.
I messaged Candace. I said, okay, we're going to be going through there. So we made it a plan to get to see them, and we had a very nice visit with them.
Jason and Candace, we love you.
Yeah, we love you guys and miss you so much.
Yes.
And Jovi is adorable. She was so much fun. I can't wait to see her again.
Good sitting talking to you, Jason.
Hopefully you guys will get to come and camp with us in Quartzsite.
Yeah.
So like you had mentioned. So that would be great. And then yesterday was a travel day on Friday.
Another short one. Kingman to Lake Havasu City, the gravel pit.
Yes. Yes.
You get what you pay for here. You never know what you're going to get.
It's actually pretty nice this day.
This time.
So we got here yesterday early.
Not bad.
Luckily, there's no check-in time, so we got here at like 10:30, which was great. We were trying to miss wind and possibly rain, which it didn't either, so that was awesome. But we got here, got set up, and got to enjoy the rest of the day. It was actually pretty quiet. I'm surprised. Knock on wood. We've got one more night here at least, and so
Pretty
we'll
nice
see how
place.
tonight is. It's supposed to rain.
It's a good stopover as we make our way south. But even before we get to Yuma, we still have one more stop. So we'll see where the road takes us.
And then we go check in at another Boondockers Welcome.
Yeah.
So 2 Wednesdays ago, not this last Wednesday, but the Wednesday before, did you guys catch the music video? It's only a couple minutes long. You should go check it out.
If you did watch it,
play it on repeat.
If you did watch it, isn't it like a favorite song? You got to hear it over and over and over. So just go put it on repeat and let it play over and over and over. Learn the words.
Okay, I get that song stuck in my head.
And we've got another one coming out Black Friday. It's our Christmas song.
Christmas one.
So it'll be a Christmas music video coming out Black Friday morning. We don't know what time yet. Just make sure you are subscribed, and then you click the bell and you get notified every time a new episode goes up. And Friday morning, just whenever it happens, your phone will ding and it's like, oh, their Christmas video's out. Let's go watch it.
Yep.
Like a kid at Christmas.
Exactly. Oh
my gosh.
We always
Last week?
want to thank you for watching us. We appreciate it more than you know. And if you haven't subscribed, like Tom said, make sure that the bell is clicked so that you get notified whenever we put out a new video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share us.
Okay, our question of the week last week
Yes.
was, do you wash your clothes after you buy them before you wear them? 100% of people said yes. I didn't see any in there that said no, I just put them on, besides me. And I don't count. So 100% of you said yes, we wash everything.
Absolutely.
Whether we buy it secondhand or brand new, it all gets washed.
Or from online.
I don't understand that. I'll go to my grave not understanding that, because it's like, just put it on and wear it.
Ew. Especially from a thrift store. Those things go directly into the hamper. Yep.
Okay, are you ready for this week's?
We're ready for this week's. Okay.
Question of the week.
So I'm going to need you to put on your thinking caps and maybe your non-fiction, no, your fiction thoughts? I don't know what to call it. So here we go. A turkey walks through the door right now where you are, wearing a top hat. What does he say and why is he here?
Okay, creative minds, here we go. We can't wait to see these answers.
A turkey walks through the door right now wherever you are. He's wearing a top hat. What does he say and why is he here? Thought we'd throw that one out for a question of the week just because Thanksgiving season.
Yes.
All right?
Thanksgiving season.
We need to know your comments below. Let us know what your answer is. This is going to be a fun one.
Yep. Can't wait to see what these creative folks that watch us, what they're going to say.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see last week's What Up Wednesday, where Tom broke the RV chasing a fly?
You know what? Fly swatters are stronger than you think they are, especially when they're not the flimsy kind. They're the bug assault ones. You know, those things are hard.
The ones that look like a tennis racket and they go zzz.
And bathrooms in RVs aren't that big to begin with. And I took it in there because I trapped the fly in the bathroom. And he's flying around and I'm standing in there like this going, oh, he's on the wall. Smack. Go watch the video and see what happened.
Yeah.
Last What Up Wednesday.
Yep. Can you say that your husband broke your RV by chasing a fly? I can.
Coming up this coming Wednesday, it's another true What Up Wednesday video, a mishmash of all your good stuff from the Tom and Lori RV Life channel.
Yes. Please remember that hype. Click it and hype us. Save at least one of your hypes for one of our videos each week.
Yeah,
you get
appreciate
3
it
videos.
if you do that.
Check it out on your phone, or
Yep, just your phone.
Just your phone.
Okay, thank
Just your
you.
phone.
That's all we need to say about it.
The message I'm hearing coming in this ear is shut up, Lori. Shut up, Lori.
No, I never tell you to shut up. I just say less is more, woman.
Okay. You guys have a fantastic week, and we will
See ya.
Take your banner